This is the location of the Suralaya 8 Banten PLTU area.
PT Arsindo Integrasi Pompa conducted a preliminary survey of the cooling water pump system at PLTU Sulzer 8 Banten, Indonesia, as an initial step toward replacing the existing pump unit.
Here's a picture of the pump motor unit sitting on the motor stool. Installation of new joint coupling shaft. There is backwater from the existing discharge pipe. This is because the valve cannot be fully closed. With approximately 130 tons per one section, transportation requires the remaining 4 fleet units. Takes 2 excavators to stand the pump, and the excavator operator must be certified. The cooling water pump replacement project at PLTU Suralaya 8 stands as proof that precision, discipline, and collaboration are the foundation of industrial excellence. Every technical challenge is an opportunity to demonstrate quality and strengthen business value.
PT Arsindo Integrasi Pompa, powering technology, strengthening industry.